Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the new chapter, that is a percentage. From your book is the chapter number 8. Percentage module 1. How the symbol looks like percentage? Written the percent symbol is looking like this only. The word percent has come from the Latin word percentum, which means per hundred, Percent actually is a fraction which has the denominator always 100. That means if you are telling that 4%, that means what, 4 by 100. If I tell you 25%, that is 25 by 100. Percentage, this symbol value is per 100, that is given by 100. See, 7 by 100 is written as what, 7%. 19 by 100 written as 19%. Now I have written, see, to convert this fraction into percentage, we need to remove the denominator and put percent sign along with the numerator. 25 by 100 we can write down 25%. 2 by 100 we can write down 2%. How this will be done, this is done, I'll show you in these next exercises. I've done one sum from this exercise 8.1 1D. It is given at 21 by 50. The value is not given, it is given missing, and this is also missing. Now anyhow I have to make the denominator 100. You have done the equivalent fraction, the fraction chapter you have done equivalent fraction. Same thing, see, denominator have to make it 100, then what you have to multiply with 50? 50 into 2 is 100. When you are multiplying with 2, the same thing will be multiplied over here also 2. Then 2 into 21 is 42. Okay. Next, if I do one more sum from these exercises, suppose I am writing down B part. B is given over here 15 by 20 into box given equals to again box given. Now how to do? Write down in the below 20 into how much will be 100. Denominator I have written already before 100. Why? As because we have to make it in 100. Why? It is because percentage. 20 into 5 is what? 100. Then 15 into 5 will be what? 75. Then write down 75 by, so this will be 5 into, but this will be also 5. This will be 75 by 100. I hope you have understood this part. If you are not able to understand or not here also, you can see the video 2-3 times more times if you want to see. Okay, pause the video, then you see. Next, go for one question that is given in your book. It is given that one circle is given. The circle is divided into 4 parts and told that how many percentage of the shaded portion is given. Now here, from here, how many division is here? See, written total number of colored shaded is 3. This is the 3 part, and total division in a circle is 4. Then 3 by 4 into 100 I have written. Or else you can do in another method also the same thing. 3 by 4 into, you have to make it 100. Then this will be 25. This is also 25. That is coming 75 by 100. That is only 75%. Either you can do in this process also, you can do it in this process also. Okay. Next, now we will start with write fraction as a percent. Now we have to make it fraction 2%. 2 by 5 is given as a percent. That means 2 by 5% given. Then from here we have to make it, we have to give it what? See, I have to make it in the 100 in the denominator. So I have to multiply with such a number so that the denominator come 100. Then I multiplied 5 into 20 is coming what? 100. Then I have written here the down 20. Then definitely you have to multiply the numerator also with 20. Then 20 into 2 is 40. That is coming 40%. Okay. Always can do one more method. This one also, 2 by 5 into 100. That is coming 40%. See, this process you are doing in this class, and this process will be done in the higher classes. Now you are going to class 5. Now you go to class 6 also. Now you can start doing this process also. There will be no problem for doing this process also. Okay. Next we go for write percent as fraction. Now just the opposite, from fraction to percent. Now it is a percentage to fraction. Now see, 40%, then 40% you what written what? 40 by 100. They have to divide with such a number so that this 100 can be divisible, then again divided by 20, and this is also divided by 20. Once you done with the denominator with the same number, you have to divide with the numerator also. That is coming 2 by 5. That is the value ultimately is coming 2 by 5 in, and all the answer, final answer, make it in the box. Next, same thing you have done. 40% means 40 by 100. Now you have cancelled it with what? See, if you know the cancelling for lowest term in the fraction you have done, then you can do in this process also. 0 and this 0 is cancelling out. Then 5 2s are 10. This 5 is written over here, and 2 we have in hand. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 is also remaining, and 5 is also. Then that is coming 2 by 5. Okay. Next we coming for write decimals as percent. Now you have to find out from decimal to percent. The 0.4 means what? 4 by 10. You have to make it 100 denominator. Then you have to multiply with 10 into 10. That is coming what? 100. And if you multiply with the denominator 10, that is also 10 into 40 will be 40. That is coming 40%. Okay. In the other process we have done, see, 4 by 10. Sorry. 0.4 means what? 4 by 10 into 100. That is 0 0 cancelling out. That 4 into 10 what will be? 40%. Okay. Next we are coming to write percent as a decimal. That means what? Does the opposite. Decimal to percent. Now this comes percent to decimal. Then from here express 40% as a decimal. Then 40 by 100. What is written? 0.4. If I take one more example, suppose 25 by 100. Don't cancelling out. Sorry. If it is in 25%, you can write down 25 by 100. Then you can write down 0.25. You have done the decimal chapter. After putting the number, you have to put how many 2 zeros are there. Then 1 2, and then you have to put 0. Then over 0. Okay. I hope you have understood this part also. I will be giving some for the homework from the first exercise, not from the second exercise. I will give you from the first exercise only. Okay. Till that, have a nice day. Stay safe. Goodbye.